In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover photos from your old Google account. Losing valuable photos can be frustrating, but luckily, I'm here to explain the process step by step so you can retrieve those memories quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to log into your old Google account. You can do this by going to the Google Sign In page and entering your credentials. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll gain access to your account. This step might seem simple, but it's essential because you'll need to be inside your account to start the photo recovery process. Make sure you're using the correct email and password. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of squares at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from this list of services, choose Photos. This will open Google Photos where all your uploaded images are stored. Now, here's where the magic happens. Inside Google Photos, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find the trash option. Click on it and you'll see images that have been deleted but are still recoverable, at least for a limited time. Keep in mind that photos remain in the trash for 60 days before they're permanently deleted, so it's important to act quickly if you want to retrieve them. Inside the trash folder, scroll through and select the photos you wish to restore. You can click each photo individually. Once you've selected the ones you want back, click the Restore button. This will move your chosen photos back to your main library, allowing you to access them as usual. If you've recently deleted your old Google account, don't panic just yet. There's still a chance. Head over to the Google Account Recovery page. Follow the steps provided to try to regain access. Be ready to share as much information as possible, such as old passwords or other linked details, to prove ownership of the account. If your recovery attempt succeeds, you'll be able to log back into your old account and access not only your photos, but all other data tied to it. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're able to recover those precious memories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.